Okay, now we're going to look at the sum of an arithmetic sequence. When the terms of an arithmetic sequence are added together, an arithmetic series is formed. We can use this rule to help us find the sum of an arithmetic sequence. So let's look at this example here. For this rule, we need to know A, which is the first term, L, which is the last term, and N, which is the number of terms. So the first term here is 4. The last term here is 58. And it says what's the sum of the first 10 terms, so N is 10. It's simply a matter of writing the rule down and then substituting in what we know. So it wants to know what the sum of the first 10 terms is, so N is 10. So 10 over 2, and in brackets A, which is 4, plus L, which is 58. So the sum of the first 10 terms, 10 divided by 2 is 5, 4 plus 58 is 62, and 5 times 62 gives us 310. So the sum of the first 10 terms is 310. We can write that, the sum of the first 10 terms is 310. Now we could check that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We could put into our calculator 4 plus 10 plus 16 plus 22 plus 28 plus 34 plus 40, 46, 52, 58. Add them all together and we would get 310. Now in this case there's only 10 terms, so you could do it that way. But imagine if it said what's the sum of the first 50 terms. You're very unlikely to want to be putting 50 terms into your calculator, hence much easier to use this rule. Now for this rule, you use this rule if you know the first term and the last term. There is another rule for the sum of an arithmetic sequence, in other words, an arithmetic series. There is another rule if we don't know the first term and the last term. And we'll look at that in the next video.